Just another day on the farm. Today's really cloudy. Wow. Coco, say hello. Okay. Tyson over here. So I got the rabbit stem down here, multiplying. Pigs over here, getting ready to multiply. So starting out my farm life. Not too much luck so far, but I'm still trying. I lost 7 goats, 2 ram, and the rest are ewes. So I'm down. They left me with these 3 right here. So I ended up buying this one a few days ago. Came with a kid. All right. And end up getting these pair right here. So I'm trying to build back up. All right. Well, I finally digged out my yam. Got my yam out selling now. It's almost sold off. Got my yam to plant back. Gotta plant those back soon. Hey boy. Good boy. Yeah, I know. But today's a foggy day overall. Can't see nothing. And now I can see far all the way to Clarendon. But now, nothing. But anyway, just a quick update. I'm cooking some dog food, so if I stay long, it's gonna end up burning. So I gotta go.